Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. Today, we will talk about Haleezy tablet. Haleezy tablet promotes the respiratory health. Haleezy tablet reduces the frequency, severity, and duration of bronchial asthma attacks. Haleezy tablet helps to support the bronchial health. Haleezy tablet supports healthy mucous membrane. Haleezy tablet supports the overall health of the respiratory system. This tablet is clinically proven and tested. Haleezy is a polyherbal combination to promote overall respiratory health. In an asthma attack, the smooth muscles of the lung or the bronchi contract, causing the bronchi to narrow, which is called as a bronchoconstriction, and the tissues lining the airways swell from inflammation and excessive mucus. This restricts the flow of air, causing cough, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Vasa exerts anti-inflammatory activity and potent anti-allergic property. Vasa decreases the secretion of mucus and relieves the inflammation in the airway. Kantakari has a bronchodilatory effect which makes the bronchial muscle to relax and thereby dilating the airways and increasing the airflow. My dear friends, Haleezy tablet contains Vasa, which helps in the cough, cold, asthma, and has anti-inflammatory, anti-allergic action. It also helps to loosen the mucus. Haleezy tablet contains Kantakari, which is bronchodilator and mucolytic and helps to facilitate easy breathing. Haleezy tablet contains turmeric or haldi. It is anti-allergic, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and helps to improve the immunity against the recurrent infections of the respiratory tract. Haleezy tablet contains tulsi, which is having antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, reduces the cough bouts and improves the respiratory health. Haleezy tablet can be taken as like 1 to 2 tablets 2 times in a day. Now, while using the Haleezy tablet, what should be done and what should be avoided? For example, consume the healthy diet which includes the fresh vegetables and fruits. Manage your weight and restrict the intake of calories. People who are obese are most likely to have more severe asthma symptoms. Stress quickly depresses the immune system. Learn to manage the stress in personally effective ways. Add a little dried ginger powder to your milk and fresh ginger to your meals. Remember, early to bed, early to rise should be the routine. Try to get some fresh air and sunshine each day. Exercise boosts the immune system, but do it in moderation. While consuming Haleezy tablet, you should avoid smoking. Smoking always makes asthma bad. Avoid strenuous exercises. Avoid sleeping during the daytime. Avoid exposure to the rain, humidity, dust, and pollens. Avoid consuming banana, citrus fruits, ice cream, cold drinks, and fried foods. If you are allergic to specific food, better to avoid it. My dear friends, this is in short about the Haleezy tablet. If you are interested to such small short audios and information about Ayurveda, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and take care.